So let's look at choosing a crystal. How do you choose a crystal for yourself? Now, choosing a crystal is a beautiful, intuitive experience. Starting with no expectations or preconceived idea of what you're wanting is the best way to start. Just allowing the crystal to simply jump out at you or subtly catch your eye. More often than not, you will find upon reading the metaphysical properties of the crystal that it is perfect for you. There are times, however, that you will have read about a particular crystal or someone has recommended one to you, so you know exactly what you're looking for. And when this is the case, cast your eye over the selection you have and intuitively feel which one is right for you. You may find that one stands out more than another. One feels better in the palm of your hand. Perhaps one has some imperfections that catch your eye. Maybe it's the richness of colour. Whatever it is that you notice about the crystal, that's the one for you. And always go with your initial gut feel. So how do you choose a crystal for another person? Now, crystals are a beautiful gift to offer a loved one, a friend, and especially children. Children respond to crystals easily and subconsciously, understanding and connecting with them on a deep level. When you give a crystal as a gift, you are giving the gift of vitality, well-being, and love. So to choose a crystal for someone else, simply hold an image of the person in your mind and think about what it is you would like the crystal to provide this person. When you have a clear image and intention in your mind, hover your hand over an assortment of crystals or cast your eye over them. And the ones that draw your attention are the right ones for the individual concerned. And when you have chosen your crystal gift, cleanse it and program the crystal for this person.